Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video you will learn how to use Fiverr on your Android mobile. The process is very simple. Simply go to your Play Store. So what you need to do is you have to search here for your Fiverr application. You need to install the application. So when it is installed, just open it. So you need to find a service or become a seller. You have to sign in. If you are a seller, you will sign in your Fiverr ID, all that. You can continue with Facebook, you can continue with Google, you can sign up with Google. So that's the way you can use Fiverr application in your mobile.